In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your eBay profile with a fresh new look. Whether you're a casual buyer or an avid seller, having an appealing profile can make a great impression on others. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we're going to start by heading over to eBay. Open your preferred web browser and in the search bar, simply type ebay.com, or if you have it bookmarked, you can click directly on the link. Once you've navigated to the eBay homepage, you'll want to sign in if you haven't already. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and click to proceed. Now that you're signed in and on the eBay homepage, it's time to access your profile. Find the My eBay section, which is typically visible towards the top of the page. Hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select the Summary option. This will direct you to your personal eBay space where you can manage and customize your settings. Let's get to the heart of the process, editing your profile. Once you're in the Summary section, look for your username. This is usually displayed prominently along with your profile picture or generic icon. Click on your username or look for a direct link to your profile. Here you'll see an option labeled Edit Profile. Go ahead and click on that to open the editing interface. Now that you're in the profile editing area, you have the chance to update your profile picture. If you haven't uploaded a profile picture yet, or if you're thinking about sprucing up your page with a new one, here's the perfect spot to do so. You should see a prompt or an icon to change your profile picture. Click on it and you'll have the option to upload a new image. Browse your computer to find the perfect image that represents you. Keep in mind that a clear and friendly photo works best, offering a personal touch to your eBay presence. Once you have your chosen picture, click Open to upload it. Before moving on, make sure to review the uploaded photo to ensure it looks right. Then simply click the Save button to confirm your changes. This saves your new profile picture and updates your profile accordingly. Give it a moment, and there you go. You've just personalized your eBay profile with a new image. And that's it. You're done. By following these simple steps, you've given your eBay page a fresh new look with a personalized profile picture. Updating your profile can help you stand out and communicate your personality to other users. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Have a fantastic day and happy eBaying!